What's good with y'all young folks, bro? It's your boy up next. Man, I don't know, come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, alright, so look, today I'm gonna be showing y'all my morning routine. I don't think I ever showed y'all this, but it's kind of something simple, but kind of not, bro, because I got dressed and I got dressed and stuff like that. So I got to do things a little different. As you see, bro, my hair is in a ponytail right now. This is how I take a shower each and every day. And most of the time, I be trying to wash my face, and this is what I be having to deal with, all that. But anyways, if y'all new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow all my social medias up above, and yeah, I'm about to share out what I do. Alright, so first I come in here, you know what I'm saying, I brush my teeth. Once I get done, I just got done brushing my teeth, because I just shot this video, but it didn't work out. So I brush my teeth, then I put on this little face mask thing. It ain't really a face mask, it's just like you just put this on, rub it in my two hands. It's a it's like my pore cleaner or whatever. When you use stuff that's supposed to benefit your body, you supposed to help out your body too. That don't mean drinks 24/7. But yeah, all I gotta do is just wash the shit off, and then I'll be straight. Hold on, let me wash this shit. I'm about to take a shower right quick, then I'm gonna with y'all when I get out my shower. Alright y'all, so once I get out the shower, you know what I'm saying, I basically, you know what I'm saying, grab the brush. Brush the sides of my hair, you feel me, just to keep it a little fresh. I ain't got a fresh cut, but just to keep it better than it was. Now, I don't know if y'all like me, bro, but I'm 22 months into my dread journey, right? I don't wear no do-rag. When I go to sleep, I just go to sleep with my dreads. Understand? My dreads be poking up it, I just lay them down. Like, my hair is laying down pretty good now. But when I do wake up, bro, my hair is very fuzzy. I really want to take this off, but my face ain't even done drying. But I let my face air dry, by the way. But I don't let it completely air dry. Like, I just don't throw water on it and then just let it air dry. Now I wash my face and I'll just let it air dry. But when I wake up, bro, my dreads are very fuzzy. You feel me? I don't go to sleep with no do-rag on. I think I bought like 2 do-rags. I don't go to sleep with no do-rag on. I don't go to sleep with no nothing on. I just go to sleep and my hair be fuzzy as crap. Now, saying this, all I do now is I just put on my clothes and just do what I gotta do for the morning. Go out, probably do a couple push-ups. I don't even work out like that no more, not that often. But I already be having breakfast in my room, so I just film a video for y'all and just edit, and just upload the video. I daily upload. Y'all should know this by now. I daily upload. I've been daily uploading for like what, 5 days now? It's 5 days in a row. I ain't missed a day yet. We're gonna take it day at a time, That's all I do. I take it day at a time. Eventually I'm gonna be going a month without uploading, and then 2 months, and then 3 months. We're just gonna keep going, bro. I'm gonna do my best each and every day to get an upload for y'all. I got 24 hours in a day, so I should get like a 5-minute or 10-minute video for y'all. Now, I told y'all, I've been promising y'all, we're working towards double uploading each and every day. But I'm not really struggling when it comes to uploading daily, but I'll be struggling on like time management. So I'm still managing my time kind of poorly. But at the same time, sometimes I wake up, I go and do what I gotta do, edit the video for y'all, and I just get it out the way. But it be like 1 or 2 days, bro, I don't be feeling like uploading. I swear to God, I don't be feeling like uploading. I just be feeling like just going ahead and just do what I gotta do, just out. I feel like just laying down. I feel like just being lazy, but I just gotta motivate myself, and y'all motivate me too. And y'all keep bringing ideas in the comment section down below, so make sure you keep commenting. That's all I got for y'all today, you know what I'm saying? I just get started with my day after this morning routine. If y'all new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace.
Hey, my window. Hey, get that bag, ho. Stack it all up when it caught me a patty. Steam right top out, adding off a trench. Didn't graduate, but I'm good with mathematics. Standing in the trap, I'm trying to double up and